Guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is completely dedicated for the FRP bypass of Moto phone. Yani Motorola phone. If you have any Motorola phone and if you have hard resetted of your Moto phone, then after hard reset, when you will switch on your phone, you will come on this page where you will get the language option, vision setting and start button. So let's check after the hard reset either your Moto phone has been unlocked or not. So here you can see after the factory data or hard reset, it's again asking your pin pattern and password lock, but here you will get another option that is showing here use my Google account. Instead you have to tap on this one. You will come on this page where it's asking your Gmail ID and password. So if you have remember your Gmail ID and password, you can feed your Gmail ID and password and go through the next option. But if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, you can see here you're not getting any skip option in this page. So this video is completely dedicated to FRP bypass of your Motorola phone of any Android version like 14, 15 and 16, 17. Okay. So first of all, you have to reach to the starting page here. Now from this page, firstly you will have to tap on this emergency call option, and here you will have to dial a USSD, that is star 222 star 99 star 00 then hash. You have to dial this USSD and you have to tap on this call option. Simply you will get a such type of pop-up. You will have to tap on this OK. Now go to the back option and come on this page. After that you have to tap on this start option, and here you have to skip from here. Now after that here you have to scroll down, and here you have to tap on this Motorola privacy policy. Scroll down and tap on this link. Here you can see if you tap on this link, it's not working. Sometimes it doesn't open in your phone, so don't worry at all. I am going to give you another method by which you can bypass your FRP lock. After that, first of all, you have to switch off this smart update. Now let's check. So it's again not working, so don't worry at all. Go to the previous page and come to the starting page. Here you have to tap on this language option and change from English India to English US. Now after that you have to check. Tap on this URL. So don't worry at all. Simply go to the back option. From starting page, here you have to tap on this vision setting, and here you have to tap on this one, and here you have to uncheck this shortcut, then done. Now go to the back. Now go to the next option, eject your SIM carrier from here. Now go to the skip. Here you have to skip from here. Now here you have to uncheck this. Now again tap on this one. Now this time come on this page. Tap on this. This is the latest. Go to the back page. You have to play this. From here you have to tap on this. You have to come on this page. Check out here, it should be in English US. Tap on this privacy. Simply you have to tap on this done. Now after that you have to switch on this smart updates. Now insert your SIM carrier. Now simply go to the starting page. Now all the settings has been done. Let's check. Tap on this one. Now you can see here skip option is showing here. It means your Moto phone has been FRP bypassed. Simply you have to tap on this skip. Skip from here. Accept. Okay. And finish. Simply tap anywhere on the screen. So here you can see now your Moto phone is completely unlocked and FRP bypassed.